turn one sign into many thanks to multiple players. This means more signs with less hardware, independent scheduling for each sign, and more cost-efficient setups. Next, we'll look at 3 examples of using multiple players. With a larger sign, you could create multiple sections within one single sign. Then, each section would show as a separate sign you could schedule to. These separate schedules could, for example, make wayfinding way simpler. Need to guide people in multiple directions? Not with these arrows. This setup was previously not possible with a single master-slave setup, but with multiple players, is now possible.